I recognize the honourable member for Cole Harbour.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Prior to my statement, I beg leave to make an introduction.
Please do.
Today in the gallery, I am pleased to introduce Dr. Ejim Ngenegbo. Dr. Ngenegbo, would you please rise and accept a warm welcome from the House of Assembly?
Welcome to the House. We hope you enjoy your time here. I recognize the honourable member for Cole Harbour.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Today I rise to acknowledge Cole Harbour resident Dr. Ejim Ngenegbo, recipient of the ANYANWU Honorary Award from the IGBO Cultural Society of Nova Scotia. Dr. Ngenegbo was honoured for his outstanding volunteerism and leadership, for teaching financial literacy and leading fundraising efforts for causes such as Movember, Terry Fox Run, and Alzheimer's research. He has also been a strong advocate for diversity, inclusion, particularly in advancing the economic and social participation of Indigenous and First Nations communities. His published research, titled Poverty Alleviation and Population Inclusiveness Analysis in Canada, highlights the importance of Indigenous inclusion in Canada's development. Madam Speaker, I ask all members to join me in congratulating Dr. Ngenegbo on his well-deserved recognition. Thank you, Madam Speaker.